In this video, I'll show you how to contact Walmart customer service. There are several ways to reach them, so let me walk you through all of them. The first way is by phone. If you're in the USA, call 1-800-925-6278. This line is available from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. You can use this number for help with online orders, store experiences, and general inquiries. If you're in Canada, call 1-800-328-0402. If you're in India, call 1-800-102-1482. The second way is through live chat. Go to the Walmart Help Center website and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Contact Us button. From there, you can start a real-time chat with a customer service agent. This is often faster than waiting on hold over the phone. The third way is through email or web form. On the same Contact Us page, you can select a specific topic like returns or delivery issues and send a detailed message to the support team. This is a good option if your issue is not urgent. If your issue is related to a specific local store, the best option is to call that store directly. Go to the Walmart Store Finder on the website and enter your zip code. This will show you the phone number for your nearest Walmart location. That is how you do it.